Hello gardening enthusiasts and welcome to Yard Mojo, your ultimate hub for all things gardening and landscaping. Here we celebrate the joy of cultivating the earth and the beauty of nature's bounty. Today we will explore 9 creative ways to share your gardening passion with thoughtful garden gifts. We're talking creative garden gift ideas, folks. Gifts for gardeners and non-gardeners alike. Tokens of affection, thoughtful as they come. Let's dive into the world of garden gifting. First on our list is a garden-themed recipe basket. Imagine the joy of combining the fruits of your labor in the garden with the creativity of the kitchen. Let's look at fresh ingredients from your garden. You could choose sun-ripened tomatoes, aromatic basil, or crisp cucumbers. Pair these with your favorite recipes or even create new ones. Think salad or bruschetta, you get the idea. It's a flavorful gift that combines the fruits of your garden with the joy of cooking. Our second gift idea is creating art with pressed flowers. This process transforms the fleeting beauty of blooms into lasting pieces of art. Pressed flowers carry a sentiment, a memory of a special time, place, or person. You can use them to make beautiful greeting cards. You can also frame them as crafts. This way you can share a piece of your garden with others. The process is simple, yet the results are spectacular. Pressed flowers are a gift that captures the beauty of your garden in a timeless keepsake. Next, we have tied herb bouquets. Imagine the enticing aroma of fresh basil, rosemary, and thyme. The fragrance wafts through your home, creating a delightful ambience. An herb bouquet is not only pleasing to the senses, but it serves a versatile role in your kitchen, always ready to spice up your meals. Creating an herb bouquet is as simple as selecting your favorite herbs and tying them with a bit of twine. It's not only aromatic, but it's a practical gift that brings the garden's freshness into the kitchen. Moving on, we have custom wreaths made with evergreens and pine cones. These natural adornments offer a unique charm that transcends seasons, making them a versatile piece of decor. With some creativity, you can craft a stunning wreath using your garden's bounty. Evergreens provide a lush backdrop, while pine cones add a rustic appeal. A thoughtful arrangement can result in a truly lovely gift. A custom wreath adds a touch of natural beauty to any home decor. Another great idea is gifting bundles of decorative branches and stems. These gifts are a wonderful way to bring the outdoors inside, adding a touch of nature's elegance to any decor. The rustic charm of birch bark and the vibrant color of dogwood stems can be captivating. You can make a personalized gift by selecting branches and stems from your garden. Bundling them together will create a thoughtful and stylish present. Bundled branches and stems are a unique garden gift that brings with it a touch of natural elegance. Next on our list, we have seeds collected from your garden. This gift is the promise of future blooms and produce. Imagine the joy of seeing tomatoes, sunflowers, or clematis grow from seeds you've lovingly collected. To do this, simply harvest ripe seeds from your favorite plants, dry them, and package them in small labeled envelopes. This way, you're not just giving a gift, but sharing a piece of your garden's magic. Gifting seeds is a thoughtful present that allows the recipient to enjoy the beauty of your garden in their own time. Our 8th idea is gifting compost starter. Composting is a sustainable practice that turns kitchen scraps and garden waste into nutrient-rich soil. Imagine gifting someone the ability to kickstart their own compost heap. Compost starter is a gift that packs a punch for the garden. You can create compost starter from your own garden, well sifted and sealed inside a tight pouch or jar. As well as being a thoughtful gift, this also has an impact on the environment. A compost starter is a sustainable gift that encourages the recipient to start their own composting journey. Next up, we have the idea of gifting a small terrarium. Imagine a miniature garden encapsulated in glass, a living piece of art. To create one, you just need moss, stones, and tiny plants from your own garden. It's a playground for creativity, where you can craft a tiny world that reflects your gardening style. It's not just a gift, but a story told in greenery and pebbles. A small terrarium is a whimsical gift that brings a tiny piece of your garden into the recipient's home. Last but not least, we have fresh blooms from your garden. The joy that comes from gifting fresh blooms is immeasurable. It's like handing over a piece of your garden's soul, alive and vibrant. Seasonal flowers add a thoughtful touch, aligning your gift with the rhythm of nature. Selecting an array of flowers, arranging them into a beautiful bouquet is a creative process that reflects your personality and passion. Fresh blooms are a classic gift that brings the vibrant colors and fragrances of your garden to the recipient's home. So there you have it, 9 thoughtful garden gifts, from garden-themed recipe baskets and pressed flower crafts to fragrant herb bouquets and custom wreaths, not forgetting decorative branches, seed gifts, compost starters, and small terrariums, and of course the classic fresh blooms. Each gift idea is a testament to the limitless creativity and thoughtfulness that stems from your very own garden. Thank you for joining us on Yard Mojo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own unique garden gift ideas in the comments. Until next time, keep your thumbs green and your gardens thriving.